Hi YouTube, it is me, your boy Lithunium Snug, coming at you with another video. In today's video, what I'm gonna be doing is doing a little bit of a hair tutorial, if you will. So like, basically, I haven't been really doing anything special with my hair. I've mostly been doing like buns and ponytails and just curling my hair and all that type of stuff. Just, you know, regular, day-to-day, everyday old hairstyles, even in my most intricate looks. So I thought, I might bring back some of that intricacy that I haven't really been putting into my hair recently. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. Basically, I did this hairstyle, I think it was 2 or 3 years ago now. It's been a minute. So we're going to do that again. And I'm going to show you exactly how I'm doing it and what I'm doing and all that type of good stuff. So like, if you want to stick around for that, please do. I'll be right here. By the way, I know this is probably like the third video you're watching of me, so you might as well subscribe. So yeah, subscribe. Might as well while you're here. Anywho, let's just jump right into it. So we're gonna start off by brushing my hair. Because it needs a good brush through. I just washed it this morning. So it is kind of still a little bit tangled because I have bleached and processed and all that type of hair. So you know how it is. Okay, so anyway, where I'm gonna get started is by parting the hair. What I'm gonna part at first and foremost is this top section right here, because we don't want to include this section into the look. You know, want to keep that separate. Can do his own thing up there. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I'm not particularly in the mood yet to part all of my hair like this, but for now, we're just gonna part it to this side, so we'll deal with that side later, you know what I mean? So first and foremost, I'm gonna be taking one of these strands of synthetic white hair, and I am just gonna be then take one strand of hair, twist it a little bit at the top right here, and separate it from the rest of my hair. Then I wrap the synthetic hair around, cross it in front, and then just start making a very tight little braid. All the way down the hair and all the way using all that synthetic hair. God, I have been away from YouTube for a little bit. And I'm so sorry about that. I've just had quite a little bit of stuff on my plate recently, and I've kind of slowly grown into a more pessimistic person. I didn't particularly want to portray myself like that, you know what I mean? So I've had to pretty much just deal with myself first before I dealt with, you know, before I preached anything to anyone else. I'm not gonna go too much into detail, but I don't feel like that's who I am to my core, and I don't feel like that's what I stand behind as a person, so I didn't particularly want to share that type of side from me on the internet. I just had to focus on, you know, focus on my own happiness for a little bit, which is difficult to do, obviously. By the way, I'm just taking a clear elastic hair tie and just wrapping around the bottom of that. Anyway, I like to make people laugh, and how am I gonna make someone else laugh when I can't even really laugh myself? You know what I mean? But I'm doing a lot better now, and I am managing just fine. And in saying that, in the meanwhile, I have done quite a few cool looks over on Instagram that I'm quite proud of. You know, just taking my creativity and doing my best. So I'm gonna make another one of those little braids down here. Take another strand of that synthetic white hair, wrap it around, and just braid that all the way down. Just gonna put that other braid over here for now, and start doing another braid down here, around here. Anyway, my point is we all need a little break sometimes, and I allowed myself to do that. I just had, oh, there goes my plug. Love that. Wow. Put that back in a second. Now this one isn't as tight, but that's fine. I'm fine with that. We can deal with that, I guess, I hope. If not, just complain in the comments below. It's fine, don't worry about it. In other news, in case you weren't able to tell yet, I got a new camera and a new setup and all that. And my bank account cried a little bit, but it was fine, it was worth it. And we're in HD now. Hi. And then we're just gonna make a braid down here as well, tiny little braid. I think, however, like the not doing too well part is also kind of due to seasonal affection disorder. I don't know what it's called, but I very much struggle with that. Pretty damn sure. Not been diagnosed with that, obviously, so I don't know if I actually do. Don't quote me on that. So it's kind of starting to become a lot more sunny now, and it's making me very happy. producing vitamin D, and I'm generally just feeling happy, less mellow, just my entire mindset kind of shifts into a more positive light, I suppose. I think you get the idea. I hope so. But my hair elastic snapped. I guess another one bites the dust. No. So then we look like this. Do I need another braid? I don't know. I'm not gonna make another braid though. Next, I'm just gonna take these two braids, these top two braids. Haha, top two braids. Two best braids in the business. And I'm just gonna wrap those together as such. Then do the same for these two down here. Then connect these two right here. Matt, go away. Leave me alone. How am I gonna do this? Forgot how we did that last time. Did I just use bobby pins for that? I don't know. Huh. What do we do now? I think what I'm gonna do is just make a tiny little braid all the way on the side like this. Put that back in that clip and just braid this back. Basically. Leave a little gap here. That might sound weird, but you'll see in a minute what I mean by that and what I'm gonna do with that, and then continue back here. So then we have a tiny little braid up there as well. Wow, another tiny little braid, who'd have thunk it? And we're just gonna wrap that up right here because we don't need any more of that. Then I'm just gonna take this braid and pull that through that hole that we left here. Just like that. There we go. That's exactly what I wanted. And then connect these back up here, just right there. I feel like there's probably easier ways to do this, but I'm not gonna listen to any of them. Then I'm gonna make a little braid down here as well, except this one isn't gonna be braided in. Just a regular daily roll braid, because we're gonna need another regular daily roll braid. Wrap that up at the bottom, wrap that around there. Use a bobby pin to pin down this small little braid in the back down here. Connect these again, and then one right here, which is, I think, the last one for now. There we go. And just like that, we have a little hatch pattern in our hair. Won't you look at that? Whatever the heck you want to call it. It's cute. There we go. Got that down. Okay. Okay. So it has been about 20 minutes. I took a little bit of a break because I had to eat something. Anywho, lighting has drastically changed. I'm sorry about that. Doing my best here, okay? Anywho, let's get back into it. So I'm not really I don't think I want to do the other side as well. I think I'm gonna keep it exclusively to this side, have a little special feature, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna pull back the rest of my hair. All this, yeah. Got it? Mm-hmm. Got it? Yeah. Right? All that? Mm-hmm. Yeah. And pull that into a ponytail right here. Just with a regular old hair elastic. Just wrap that up real good. Just like that. So now our hair looks like this. And I'm just gonna comb this a little bit so that it sits a little bit smoother, you know what I mean? It's real tight and smooth and fancy. And the sun is out again. How do I fix this? And it's gone again. I'm doing just fine. You know how people have like tables in front of them and all that type of stuff? You know, fancy tables, all that. Well, I don't have that. I just have an ironing board right in front of me. By the way, did I ever tell y'all I kind of collect like little tiny handmade boxes, like cute little, I don't know. Hold up, focus. Come on. There you go. Cute little handmade type of boxes that I thrift from the thrift store, obviously. I honestly don't know why. I have lots and lots of them, like at least 20-ish by now. I don't really usually put anything in them. This is like an exception to the rule, but I do collect them. Anywho, in there is my hair jewelry. I pretty much have, hold up, look. Let me Michelle Fawn into focus once again. Can you see it? There you go. I think you can see it. I don't know. I can't properly see in the viewfinder. Anywho, you get the idea. Pretty much they are like little leaf golden wraps, and I'm gonna put those around the joining points of the tiny little braids, like where the tiny little hair elastics are. Just like that. And I'm gonna do that to all of them. I think the reason why I'm only doing one side is probably I'm running out of sunlight, and I dropped one of my soft boxes the other day. So I don't particularly have like a perfect light setup anymore. Rip and rip. And there we go. There is the finished hairstyle. This is it. Let me do a little montage, get this mirror out of the way. Hold up. Give it a little blue steel. I'm 99% sure that I'll be back with another video next week, so look out for that. Maybe, again, subscribe maybe. Anywho, that was the video. Goodbye guys, see you guys in the next video, and talk to you guys later. Obviously, you can look me up on Instagram and on Facebook. Don't look me up on Facebook. I'll link my Instagram down below, and you can check out the HD pictures and all that type of stuff after this look. And I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.